This is going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio, all that you need to know. So let's see what's happening in your life. Welcome back to the channel. So Scorpio, I'm not taking any reversals. We'll go forward. Currently, right now, you are focused on being more financially successful. Like, you want to achieve all your goals. You want to get more stable. In the past as well, I do not see you very much being emotional. In the past as well, you were very focused on your finances, and even now, you're extremely focused on your finances. Could be for some of you, you are also wanting to get into something more stable. It could also be about relationships where you are not wanting to have flings and random connections. You want this connection to go full circle. If it cannot go full circle, you won't entertain it because you are not wanting to waste your time. Okay, so what else? Scorpio. With right now with Five of Wands, you're a bit conflicted. Some of you could be having more than one option. Okay, top card we have is Seven of Pentacles. You're basically trying to think about it. You're basically reflecting over the whole situation. Some of you could be thinking what is the right thing to do right now. Okay, and possibly you guys will take your time before making a decision. If you guys have choices, you guys will take your time before making a decision. Okay, one more card for Scorpio. What are they going to? With Hanged Man, I believe you are not going to take action very soon. Okay, I believe you're wanting to think about it truly. Like before making a decision, you want to make sure that whatever you're going forward with is going to give you the best results. Like, let's say you are having more than one option in terms of your career, your love life. You are wanting to think about it long term, like if it's going to help you in the long term way. Okay, what else? In terms of their emotional life, Scorpio, what's going on? Some of you could also be upset on your person, and you guys could be watching them from a distance but not really taking action. What else? When it comes to your person, I believe with Strength card, you guys are not taking any sort of action right now, but you guys are going to decide of possibly communicating or sending in messages. But right now you are holding back. Okay, in terms of your person, how are you thinking about this person now? Scorpio, darling, you want this person. The one you have on your mind currently is the one you want to end up with. Even if you are not taking some solid action towards them, it's not like you are not wanting them. Okay, top card we have is the Magician card, bottom card we have is Two of Cups. You already know the person who you want to be with. You may have options, but you already know the person you want to end up with and have family and kids and this and that with. Okay, so in terms of that, one card for what's your person up to? What's your person up to? Right now, your person feels a bit stuck. They are overthinking as well. Bottom card with Six of Pentacles. In the past, it could have been a bit out of balance. Like things were not going well between the two of you. Right now, your person feels a bit stuck. They feel like they cannot take some solid action towards you. Like, why is the eight of Swords here, Spirit? Why is the Eight of Swords here? With Three of Wands, some of you could be in a long distance relationship, and that could be getting in the way. In the past, this person did try to get away from you, or they were doing something sneaky which they are not very proud of. But I believe the reason why this person cannot take some fast action towards you is because this person is at a physical distance. If it's not physical distance, then they could have turned their back towards something else in the past, and now they do not know what to do. Okay, in terms of their feelings, how do they feel about you? Sorry about that. In terms of their feelings, we have Five of Swords. So something tells me that they are bit pissed off on you. Why are they pissed off on you? Like, why are they behaving this way? Why is the Five of Swords your, Spirit? Yeah, it could be that, don't take me wrong, okay? It could be that in the past, someone involved someone else in the picture. It could be that someone involved a third party and that got in the way, or they got to know that you have more than one option, and that kind of possibly freaked them out or possibly got them mad. Okay, in terms of their intentions, how are they thinking about you now? In terms of their intentions, how are they thinking about you now? In other intention, darling, this person does not want to take action. Why? I believe they do not want to get hurt. One more card for why is the Nine of Wands here? Why is the Nine of Wands here, Spirit? Yeah, with Ace of Swords, they have already got that clarity that you are going for something, or you are wanting to do something that is not in their highest interest. With Justice card, they feel like you are doing them wrong. Okay, this could go vice versa. So take it however it resonates in your case. One more card for why is this all happening, Spirit? Why is this all happening? It is all happening because in the past someone decided to hold back their emotions, someone decided to possibly sabotage this connection. It could be you or them. Okay, in terms of what do they want with you, in terms of what do they want with you, to be honest, they do not know what they want with you. Why is the Seven of Cups here, Spirit? Why is the Seven of Cups here? Reason being, it could be that, don't take me wrong, it could be that you decided to end it in the past and now they do not know what they are looking forward to with you now. In terms of why have they ended this on their own, why have they ended this, or why are they not wanting to? Okay, I believe that you guys could have had a fight or an argument which led to a tower moment. Possibly this connection could not get a solid outcome. It has been stagnant for a while and they are not sure if this is the right thing to do to move forward or to give it another shot, like to give it another chance. Okay, in terms of like what are their true feelings for you, what are their true feelings for you? Okay, for some of you this person was your best friend and then things possibly escalated towards emotions, feelings, passion, this and that. But I do believe that for some of you it could be that this is also someone who you were supposed to meet and things did not go as planned, but now you guys are stuck and now you guys have more than one option. You know who you want, but it could be that something that happened in the past is hampering the connection, is possibly getting in the way. Okay, one more card. What's the major blockages that are stopping the two of you? What are the major blockages? Okay, major blockages. One I see is that one of you did not want a commitment in the past. One of you was in and out of the relationship. Second card I see is you guys could not decide on what you guys wanted together. This connection possibly had no fucking outcome coming out of it. Okay, one of you wanted to stay single, whereas the other person wanted something more stable. Okay, for now, where do we see this connection going? For now, where do we see this connection going? I do feel you guys will end up with each other. Okay, but the problem is it's going to take you time. Okay, for now your person isn't ready to entertain you. Okay, how long it's going to take you to possibly move things forward with them? Is it possible this month? I believe, darling, swords, right? Don't really expect much for the first week of Fab. Okay, I believe this person is very much wanting to hold themselves back from you, bloody have walls up around them so that you do not enter. Okay, they believe you've done them wrong. I do not know what you've done. I'm not judging you either. It's just that I'm reading what my cards are telling me, and I believe this person is not wanting to stay open. Reason being, something that happened in the past is blocking this. This could go vice versa, so take it however it resonates. One card for where do we see this going by the 15th of Fab? Where do we see this going by the 15th of Fab? Yeah, with Seven of Swords, I still see one of you staying emotionally unavailable. Okay, even if you want this, I still see a person not wanting or not trusting you completely. Okay, someone lacks trust, and that is gonna possibly get in the way. By the end of the month, where do we see this connection going? By the end of the month, where do we see this connection going? I still feel, darling, to be very honest, this connection is going to be very heavy on you. It's not going to be easy. Okay, if you want this connection, someone who has done the other person wrong, you or them will have to try harder, and you will have to initiate the conversation. Okay, one more card. What do they want from you now? What do they want from you now? With Wheel of Fortune, it's not like they have given up on you, but they want you to try harder. They want you to put in solid efforts now. Okay, one more card for how do they view you now? How do they view you now? Okay, they believe that they are still having an attachment with you. They still have a strong obsession with you. But reason being, the past, they look at you like a player, or they feel like you're not in this connection for long term. Again, I'm telling you, this could go vice versa, so don't get mad at me in the comment section. This is general reading, so it's not your fucking private, it's personal, so don't get all judgmental about it. With Ace of Wands, I still feel like they are very passionate about you, but they are very fearful of getting themselves hurt. So I very much see them being emotionally unavailable. Okay, in terms of that, let's take what you should know about this connection. What should my dear Scorps be knowing about the connection? These are my handwritten notes. Let's see what you guys can get. Scorpio for the next let's take 15 days. What should Scorpios be knowing? Okay, we already have a card. Got feelings but can't risk. Okay, so that's very straightforward. Got feelings but can't risk. It's either you or them. You have feelings, but it's just that this person is very fearful of taking that risk forward. Okay, hurt and taking a break. Okay, hurt and taking a break, and I believe someone got in the way. Karmic blockages. So this is the reading for the sign of Scorpio. All you need to know about your person for the month of Fab. If it resonated, please consider hitting the like button because it greatly helps my channel. It is also going to help you get more bonus readings. Okay, so if that sounds something that you'd be interested in, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and let me know in the comment section if you connected with the reading. Also, for those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.